I'd like to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Joe Mangrum, and I've been working on this sand painting since about 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is what I do for a living. I'm a professional artist, and if you like my work, please support it by donating to one of the buckets here. It's your generosity which really allows me to come out and make these for everyone to enjoy, so I really appreciate whatever you give. And feel free to take a look at my portfolios over there on the table. In them you'll find over 16 years of installation art using auto parts, computer parts, food, money, bullets, flowers, fire, all different types of materials, as well as a portrait of Obama made from sand, and a runway that I did for fashion week. You can join my mailing list there on the clipboard. My website is joemangram.com. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter. And if you have any questions regarding this or prints or any works that I have for sale, please just come talk to me. And hope you all enjoy it. I'll be working till after dark, so come on back at sunset to see it finished up. All right, thank you very much.